It's 2025 and the cost of living is only going up. Groceries are more expensive, rent keeps rising, and let's not even talk about gas prices. At the same time, technology and remote work have opened up more opportunities than ever before to earn extra income. But here's the catch: not everyone has specialized skills or time to take on a second job. That's where side hustles come in. And today we're going over 7 side hustles that are actually working right now in 2025 and don't require any experience to get started. These are flexible, scalable, and most importantly realistic for beginners. Whether you're a college student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone just trying to break out of the paycheck-to-paycheck grind, there's something here for you. Let's start with content repurposing. If you've ever seen a clip from a podcast show up as a viral TikTok or a YouTube video turned into an Instagram reel, you've seen content repurposing in action. In 2025, creators and small business owners are making more content than ever, and most of them don't have time to chop up their videos into multiple formats. That's where you come in. Using beginner-friendly tools like Pictory, Canva, or even Opus Clip, you can take a long video and break it down into short-form content for different platforms. No editing experience needed, just a sense of what looks good and what hooks an audience. You can offer these services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or reach out to micro-creators who are growing fast but don't yet have a team. This hustle is in demand right now, and it's only growing. Next is digital product flipping, and this one is perfect for anyone who's creative or curious about design. Right now, people are spending millions every month on digital products like planners, journals, templates, and workbooks. And you don't even have to create them from scratch. You can buy pre-made PLR or private label rights content, customize it with your branding, and sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store. Think about budgeting templates, fitness trackers, resume guides, or even digital stickers. You use tools like Canva or Notion to tweak the design, and boom, you've got your own product line. No inventory, no shipping, just creativity and smart marketing. It's low risk and high reward, especially if you're willing to test a few ideas and see what your audience responds to. Now let's talk about affiliate blogging with AI assistance. A few years ago, blogging seemed like a dying art, but with AI tools now available, it's making a major comeback. Imagine being able to write a 1,000-word blog post in under an hour using ChatGPT or another writing assistant. Combine that with a basic understanding of SEO, and you've got yourself a traffic-generating machine. Choose a niche like personal finance, fitness, home decor, or even niche hobbies, and create blog posts that answer common questions. Include affiliate links to products or services people can buy, and you earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase. You don't need to be a great writer, you just need to be willing to research and format your posts properly. Over time, as your blog gets more traffic, you can add ads, digital products, or email marketing and turn it into a full passive income stream. Our fourth hustle is local service arbitrage. This one is great for people who are good at talking to people and know how to connect the dots. Here's how it works: you offer a service like lawn care, pressure washing, or social media management, but instead of doing the work yourself, you outsource it to someone else at a lower rate. You charge the client $100, pay the contractor $70, and you keep the $30 difference. It's a simple concept, but it works because most people want convenience and reliability. You can promote your services on Facebook Marketplace, in local Facebook groups, or by putting up flyers. This hustle doesn't require experience, just effort and follow through. And once you've built a network of reliable contractors and happy clients, it can run like clockwork. The fifth side hustle is voiceover freelancing using AI-generated voices. This one is perfect if you've always been interested in voice acting or podcasting but didn't think you had the voice for it. iTools like 11 Labs allow you to generate voiceovers using your own voice or a synthetic one with incredibly high quality. Small businesses need voiceovers for ads, explainer videos, training content, and even TikTok scripts. Content creators use them for faceless YouTube channels and audiobook narration. You can offer this service even without speaking a word yourself by editing and delivering AI-generated audio. It's all about knowing how to use the tools and match the voice to the project. And once you get the hang of it, you can start offering different styles, tones, and languages to serve a wider range of clients. Coming in at number 6 is being a digital assistant for content creators. Creators are basically one-person businesses now, and they need help behind the scenes. Tasks can include organizing their content calendar, scheduling posts, replying to DMs, cleaning up email lists, and keeping their brand organized. If you've ever used Trello, Notion, or Google Docs, you're already equipped to get started. Many creators don't need a full-time assistant, they just need a few hours of support each week. You can find opportunities by reaching out directly on Instagram or Twitter, offering a free trial or a discounted first month to show your value. Once you prove you're reliable and easy to work with, you can build a steady client base quickly. And last but not least, AI prompt design. This is one of the newest and most futuristic side hustles on the list. As more people use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Claude, they're realizing that the results you get depend entirely on the quality of the prompts you give. That's opened up a whole new market for prompt creators. You can sell pre-written prompt packs for content creators, marketers, or even students. You can also offer one-on-one services, helping businesses get better outputs from their AI tools. It might sound technical, but really it's just about asking the right questions and understanding how AI thinks. If you've used ChatGPT to write anything creative, solve a problem, or build a project, you've already got a head start. Here's the bottom line: you don't need to be a genius or have years of experience to start earning extra money in 2025. You just need to start. Pick one of these side hustles and give yourself permission to learn as you go. None of these are overnight riches, but all of them can grow into reliable income streams if you stick with it. Start with what you're curious about and lean into your strengths. If you like organizing, try being a digital assistant. If you like design or visuals, go for content repurposing or product flipping. If you like writing or experimenting with AI, start a blog or create prompts, and don't forget you're allowed to experiment. Try one thing for 30 days. See what clicks. If it doesn't work out, you've gained experience. If it does, you've opened the door to a whole new income stream. The key is to stay consistent, stay curious, and be patient with the process. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more weekly content, and let us know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try this year. And if you've already started one, share your results or any tips you've picked up. Your story might just help someone else take that first step. Catch you